Hello everyone, in this video we will try to create a Brachistochrone curve as seen in this fusion ready example. So usually in calculus we will study Brachistochrone curve when it comes to relate to differential equation or parametric equation. So as you see that in this Wikipedia, the Brachistochrone curve, if you put it place it this way and you have a different marble, the one in Brachistochrone curve, the marble will be reaching the bottom faster, or the target will be faster. So in this example, we only creating the part related to Brachistochrone. In future video, I will try to do it multiple path. So first, what we need to do is to creating the equation of Brachistochrone curve or cycloid. And what we're doing, we can do it in a multiple software, but we will use in Desmos. And for this example, I just do it from 0 to 2 pi and make sure you have everything is except everything is not seen like a grid on x-axis, which you can be controlled from here. I showed in a different video too. And this line will be useful for later reference. After we have setting up everything in Desmos, then export it as SVG. Now we have this, we're going back to Fusion, and next step is creating a new file and inserting the SVG from Desmos. We just downloaded this one. I downloaded a lot of versions, so now pick a plane, doesn't matter. And now you can click on this square to place in the location that you like. So and also I want to have a better view. So what I recommend make this curve little behind, a little above the red line, the axis, so because we need some extra space. After you finish, you can finish sketch. The next step is clicking editing this curve, because there's a lot of information here, we don't need it. So edit sketch and click on this line, delete it, this one too, delete it, and this one delete it. This is not necessary but useful for later. What I want to keep is only this part. Next step will be tracing this cycloid curve, and that happened during the spline. So first finish sketch. Now let's create another sketch and same plane. First, okay, click on the subline. In create, click on subline and start from the top slowly. So I can click on this one, move it. Yeah, you can get a better estimation if you are patient, but for the purpose of this video, we just trying to get as accurate as possible for our. Now here's enough. Why? When I finish this one, I click on this check. The sketch is done. I will not yet finish sketch because I wanna have the other part of my sketch that will be later. Okay, more. Now, if you see the region have been highlighted, and this is important, now click on the constraint being made, and check it, finish sketch, and here we have. So you can start extruding the sketch, and let's see what happened. The issue is if you are, okay, let's hide the other sketch to see it. If you are, let's just, for example, if you throwing the marble on the top, then it will be maybe fall before reaching the end point, because there is no fence. So we need to make a fence before extruding. For that purpose, what I'm doing, I'm creating offset. I will create an offset plane. So what I'm doing, click on the sketch I created, and click on sketch, and you have offset. And then they want you to select the profile, and I choose this one, and then you see there is a red line. The red line will be the new sketch. Sadly, it gives you some other area you don't need it, but it can be manageable later. So now we have this 5mm, maybe too much. Let's say 2mm is good. Let's say 3mm. I believe 3mm is good. So finish. So now let's look at it. Okay, so first step will be extruding this one. Let's say 7mm. Now again, click on it, and now I want to extrude the other part. And in that one, you need to be patient. This is the part, and extrude it. Maybe this one 2mm or 1mm. It doesn't matter. Smaller is better. Maybe 2. Maybe, yeah. So here we go. But so now look at it. We only have one side, right? And I can create the other side. The other side should be easy, but maybe first I need to make some cleanup. Okay, let's hide this part, or maybe let's hide the sketch. So if you look at it, there is some part you don't want to see it. This part here, right? So let me zoom in, and what I can do, and here you go. And the next step is extruding this in the other direction. Going all the way till we end up, and that we go. Let's look like now we finish it. We cut it this part. Let's cut the other part here. Ready. So let's look at it and then make an easy mirror to creating the other side of the shape. So look at the body. You only have one body. Select the body, or come here, clicking on the mirror, and then the body selected, the object should be body. Select the mirror line, which will be this side, and then we have the other part. So if you look at the top, and now we have everything we needed. So you can give a color to it, and let's give some. Let's give some color like the red, and yes, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. In future, I'm planning to make more configuration to this, but for now, I think this should be. Thank you.